Right, tonight we have got sweet chili fish fillets, peas and fries, and it's this fish that we're trying tonight, just for something a bit different. Our son doesn't actually eat fish, so he's got chicken, but we have got fish, so that's what's for dinner tonight. Right, dinner tonight is roast beef and Yorkshire with roast mashed potatoes, broccoli, cauliflower, carrots and peas. And once again, the roast potatoes are done in this roast potato herbs. So that is what is for dinner tonight. Right, for snack today we've got brunch rolls, which has got bacon, fried egg in, and some have got brown sauce and some have got tomato. So that's what they've got for their brunch for today. Right, so dinner tonight is jacket potato, grated cheese, coronation chicken, ham, pot pie with lettuce, onion, tomato and red peppers. So that is what is for tea tonight. Right, dinner tonight is baps, and some family members have got them with quarter pounders, sliced cheese, tomato and fresh onion, and some of us have got them with the barbecued chicken strips, cheese and fresh tomato and onion. So that is what is for tea tonight.
Just how Denise likes it.
Dinner tonight is minted lamb burgers, cheesy mash and baked beans. So that is what is for dinner tonight.